Mogaruruku matiganite maria mendekithitio thiini wa watho wa migunda wa mwaka wa 2012 riu ni matumurite ndugamano hiu gatagati ka anyiti itemi matiganite aria monanitie kwaga kuiganira na mogaruruku maya.
What the chair signed, because what she's saying is not.
Umuthi ndereti ya mogaruruku maya ni sharekire thande bunge-ini riria kamiti ya kuramata migunda NLC igwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igi migunda kuheana woni wayo ikiuga ati mogaruruku maria mendekithitio ni bunge mari na muoroto wa kunina hinya wa NLC na kucokia kuri ministry ya migunda.
I'm not defending ourselves, but the amendments which we have been served with, and that's why I was smiling, are seeking to delete a whole constitutional commission from the law and replacing it with a CS.
We are allowed to amend an act of parliament if we see it's not working or it has conflicts.
Ndereti no nionekanire kugayukania bunge aria mauma kamiti-ini ino amwe magitikaniria na uhoro wa ati angikorwo mogaruruku maya ni megukinyanirio kamiti ya NLC egutigwo etari na hinya uria ihetwo gigatiba.
So why do you think the government is coming up with this raft of amendments? Is it because you as NLC you are not able to perform?
But as it is, as we speak, it is not clear to us why exactly these changes are taking place, and that is why you find in most of those our responses is say just retain.
Uhoro wa migunda ni utige kuongerwa maundu maingi tondu ni ukuingihia wici muno tondu the more maundu maingihia migunda-ini muno igutuma andu magere murango wa thutha na ni mekuiya andu migunda ni megwika andu maundu.
Kiuria gia kana bunge ni irakuruhania anyiti itemi matiganite mogaruruku-ini ma watho uyu nikiyumiririe bunge ikiorotwo ni kiria kironekana ta mogaruruku maya marageria gukinyanirio na hikiki gugikwirwo ati kwaya gukorwo thirikari irenda kuhuthira icunjĩ imwe cia watho uyu kugia na migunda ya gukinyaniria agenda ya waki wa nyumba cia raithi.
But this was supposed to be a consultative, collaborative process. So we are very surprised that the proposals that are before the House appear to have been made by only one of the parties.
If we analyze the bill, as you've asked, why is it being rushed like that at a time like this, when we have issues of affordable housing and all that? The bond of contention here is between NLC and the cabinet secretary.
Even the MPs, matanarehe bill. We are there. We have even an office. Tuina afishi area mogiamba muturehere akone bill iyo, then tumuhe meciria maitu kana tumuhe ukuria mungi tungienda muthondeke.
Gicunjĩ kimwe kiria kirongoreirio gucenjio thiini wa watho uyu ni kia 54 kiria kirendekithia ati migunda iria ikoragwo gikiro-ini gia freehold yanjiririe kugathikwo magoti ma tiri undu uria ukoretwo urehete urugari munene.
The freehold is not leased to the government. The government is not the lessor. So it has no rights of a freehold owner.
Ihinda-ini riu ndereti igire ndekithia ria watho wa gutigirira ati kambuni ciothe cia wendia wa migunda ni cirikoragwo na mbeca itanyihire ciringi milioni 500 mbere ya kwanjiriria wira ni iyumiririe mubunge wa Kirinyaga ya gatagati Gacoki Gitari akiuga ni nginyagia watho ucio uhetukio na thengia wa uregani uria uratugio.
Kenyans have lost money, so precisely what we are trying to do is to cushion Kenyans from losing their hard-earned money, and especially our hustlers.
Bilioni tukawaturaganite nayo as an association of real estate stakeholders. Tondu one eyotie ngigiriria wici tondu mundu no arute 500 million na iye wa 1 billion.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjire.